Hey everybody, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Today, we're going to talk about 10 essential steps for launching a successful startup. Setting up your business can be both thrilling and challenging. Those looking to become entrepreneurs need to plan and carry out their business concepts strategically to turn them into startups. In this manual, we will discuss the 10 steps required to establish a business that not only survives but flourishes in today's competitive market. Each phase plays a role in establishing a foundation for a profitable venture, starting from evaluating the viability of your business idea to understanding industry trends, financial planning, and managing risks. Devising a comprehensive business plan. One of the steps in establishing a successful company is crafting a detailed business blueprint. This strategic document outlines your company's objectives, target market assessment, financial projections, marketing tactics, and operational strategies, serving as a guiding format. By integrating components such as forecasts, risk management methodologies, and insights from market studies, an all-encompassing plan is formulated to steer your business operations. Thoughtfully crafted business plans not provide direction on overcoming challenges and capitalizing on opportunities, but also aid in securing funding from investors and financial organizations. A robust business plan sets the foundation for growth and prosperity by evaluating the feasibility of your concept against market demand and competitive analysis. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to explore the steps for kickstarting your business. Our detailed guide offers a step-by-step approach to initiating your journey. And yes, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on content that can help broaden your understanding. Thank you for watching.